Systems go. Satellite, satellite. -10. Twilight, twilight. I feel the moon pulling me away into the blue of the midnight sky. If you can do what I can do, then stay in tune and just feel the vibe. So can we get a systems go and blast off like a satellite, satellite, launching in -10, heading straight to the twilight, twilight. So can we get a systems go and blast off like a satellite, satellite, launching in -10, heading straight for the twilight, twilight. Well, as I'm headed to the sky way up above me, I feel my body spinning, feeling free and lovely. I am the rumbling sea, so come with me on this midnight vibe. And you can feel it if you tune into your radio. Look at the sky, look at the moon, look at the way it glows. I ain't no ghost, so don't be afraid to go on this midnight vibe. So can we get a systems go and blast off like a satellite, satellite, launching in -10, heading straight to the twilight, twilight. So can we get a systems go and blast off like a satellite, satellite, launching in -10, heading straight for the twilight, twilight. Like an astronaut floating off into the beyond, entering into dimensions no one has ever yet seen before. I do not need an engine, I can ascend into the dark. Remember, a dream is never a dream, is never a dream, y'all. It's never a dream, y'all. It's never a dream, y'all. It's never a dream. Midnight vibe. So can we get a systems go and blast off like a satellite, satellite, launching in -10.
I definitely got that on camera. I definitely got that on camera, Smalls.
Blast off like a satellite, satellite, launching in -10, headed straight for the twilight, twilight. Systems go. Satellite, satellite, -10, twilight, twilight. Systems go. Satellite, satellite, -10.
Yo, I got Smalls hitting a fucking pole on camera. I got Smalls hitting a pole on camera. The man himself. The man himself.
You hitting the fucking pole?
Yeah, I think I got you hitting the fucking pole.